This is SPY on the 5-minute time frame. Here are your price targets for Friday. We ended the day at $689.51, down 0.01%. To the north side takes us back to the middle of the trend and one level of resistance and a potential take profit area at 690.96. Above that at 2 standard deviations is roughly 694.19. I don't think we will get to 695.86. That will be down the road, and then the next level after that at 4 standard deviations is 697.45. But if we wick to this area or here, expect a pullback. To the south side, 687.70 for support and a potential buy-in area. This gap forms at roughly 686.37. And negative 4 standard deviations is 684.45 and negative 3, which is very close to that gap, 686.04. Why don't I just mark this out while I'm here? And looking left, you can see the clear sell signal at resistance and then a clear buy signal at support, middle of the trend, where price has to slice through to get to the middle, to the upside or to the downside. It has to slice through the middle, I should say. And that gap closed to the north side, so congrats if you went long after this thing tanked, 690.01-ish. And the last time I talked about it, 690.38, of course that's resistance, and then we fell all the way back down here to support, and this gap closed, so that's a landmine we don't have to worry about anymore. There are other things to be concerned about, but not this gap. Here is something to watch out for down the road, not in the channel, not in the zone, not even close, but if you'd like to go short. All right, and the last time I talked about price, we were here, and then I did another video here on the way up. Oh, and then this gap right here closed at 680.66. Now let me go over OXY really quickly. It's been a long time since I looked at this, up 5.46%. We are at resistance, so I will anticipate a pullback, but we could bounce up here and here and then make our way down. The RSI is still turning down on the 5. You're going to get different buy and sell signals on different time frames. So resistance, 43.95 and 44.52. The middle of the trend takes us to 42.21. That's support. Support 41.04. 40.46, 39.84. And note the clear bounce. This is on the way down. This turns into support, sell off at resistance, and resistance here. This gap closed to the upside at 42. Very quickly. On the daily, as I said, it's been a long time since I looked at this. So we are move this out of the way right here. So we could grind down still. We're in a downward channel on the daily. So to the north side, 46.25. And back at the middle of the trend, 40.64 and then 35.12. To the north side, 48.96 and down the road, 51.76. Now let's go over to this one. zkRace, my handyman, trades this. All right, let's give you some levels. 8.5. Okay, let me change the color to blue. Well, that's not the correct blue. It's that one. All right, I'm just going to point this out here at 0.015. You can extend the digits out, but 0.0195 and 0.023783, the middle of the trend. 0.002453 and negative, okay, 0.006895 for a buy-in and another buy-in, 0.010985. All right, note the bounce here at support, and then we bounced and just went sideways, but always slicing through the middle. Clear sell signal. If that doesn't tell you to sell, I don't know what does. All right, and oh, that's the daily I gave it to you. All right, let's peek at this on the 5. Right, the target is here. And then 0.012404, and let's just take it down to here since we're already at support. 0.009777, triple sevens. 0.009, oops, 229. Looks sideways motion here, grinding, barcoding. All right, that does it for me. I hope you have a fantastic